Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a user review and unboxing of the APC BN450M. It's 255 watts, 6 outlets, and what I want mainly for is to run my laptop and my router modem in case of a power outage. So on top it says, for that system, running 40 watts will run for 45 minutes on this unit. And that's basically all I need. Something to run 15-20 minutes, something like that, because our power outages in Calgary don't really last that long. So let's open this up and get it all set up. Alright, let's open up this bad boy. There she is. It's not very heavy. Not very heavy at all. That's in here. Get it turned on. The battery's acting. Let's install it. Alright, so the battery is shipped in an off position. So put it on. Please come out. 100 degrees, and push it in. That. There we go. There we go. It's tough to get in there, but now it's on. Let me turn it on. Good, flush mounting cord. I like these flush mounting cords. Alright, we're in business. Let's get hooked up. I was wrong too. These two aren't powered, they're surge protectors only. There's only 4 powered, so you pay for what you get. So let's hook it up. Alright, so now the power is hooked up. Let's put the power button on. And it's going to take 24 hours for a full charge. Alright, now everything's installed. I have my computer, a laptop computer, phone, and modem router installed on the APC unit. Unfortunately, it has 6 battery backup outlets and 2 surge protectors, that's all. But for $60, really can't go wrong. So I'm happy with my purchase, and now I don't have to worry about power outages knocking out my computer or my modem. If you found this video helpful in any ways, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.